Hi guys, so I was just in the middle of putting together a video for the Ultimate Card Making Auto Ship that just came in from HSN. It's a Diamond Press set, and I recalled that Spellbinders is kicking off their fall warehouse sale, you guys. I will link it in the description box. It'll go right to the sale. Those will be affiliate links. If it's also available in the UK, I'll also link that. That means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Sorry about that. Emergency vehicle. You guys know I have all my windows and doors open. I like to do that, get the good San Diego breeze in here, and there's always something. So $1, $2, $3 deals, $5 deals. You guys pass clubs. I mean, the machines, even the Glimmer hot foil system is on sale there. I mean, $1 for the Plumeria dies, like the Susan Tierney Coburn ones. The all-in-one tool is $11. $40 for last year's Christmas kit with that cute little train in there. I mean, there is just, I love these pens. I think thought I had one next to me here. Do I have one? I know I loaded one up just the other day. It might be over there where I kind of sit by my couch there. But with the inks, I mean, they're only $1. Usually when I pick up, they're like $2 or $3 sometimes when they're on sale. So $1. I mean, just a ton of stuff, guys. So I'll have the link there. It'll pop right over to it. The welcome door base, the always welcome, which they're always including and doing new things to add on to that. I mean, it's $10. Generally, if you're a member of the Spellbinders club kits, any of the club kits, you get 10% off still. A lot of times it still works in the sale. Sometimes it doesn't on certain items, so you can check it out. It'll be reflected when you log in. But, I mean, yeah. So they do this once a year, and it runs for a week or so, sometimes 10 days, but just ridiculous sales, all right? So I'll have it linked. It'll jump right to it, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.